removable build surface plate, provide all-round protection to your 3D printer build plate and ensure consistent temperature throughout the build surface. Easy to remove the printing models after cooling. Safe power supply. Enda 3 Pro comes with a UL certified power supply, protecting your printer from unexpected power surges that can heat the hotbed to 110 in just 5 minutes. Resume print function. Enda 3 Pro can resume printing from the last recorded extruder position after suffering unexpected power outages. Semi-assembled kit. This easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled, allowing you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. A fun STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics. Creality, Enda 3 Pro 3D printer, 12 months warranty, lifetime technical assistance and 24 hours professional customer service.